Ever scrolled through YouTube and stumbled upon those channels? The ones racking up millions of views, without a single face on camera, no flashy personality, no vlogging, just pure, valuable content, and a lot of money being made. These are called faceless YouTube channels, and they're powered by something incredible: YouTube automation. Today, I'm not just going to tell you about YouTube automation. I'm going to show you step by step how you can launch your own profitable faceless channel in just 10 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. 10 minutes to set up the foundation for what could become a serious passive income stream. Now I get, a new venture on YouTube can be frustrating. Most people who venture into the realm of YouTube automation are met with the same fate. 1. Burnout. 2. Not using the right tools. 3. Lack of consistency. Well, this is why I am here. Forget the overwhelm, forget the gurus promising overnight riches. We're cutting through the noise, and I'm giving you the exact tools and the exact strategy you need to avoid those pitfalls and succeed. But first, before we dive into the step-by-step system, and before your 10 minutes timer runs out, let me show you a secret. Because to build a money-making machine, you need to understand how the money is actually made. We need to get familiar with some key YouTube terminology, the stuff that separates the struggling channels from the cash-generating empires. So, let's start with, first up, CPM, or cost per mil. Think of this as what advertisers are paying for every 1,000 ad views on videos like yours. It's a good indicator of how valuable your niche is, but it's not your direct income. That's where RPM, or revenue per mil, comes in. This is your cut. What you actually earn for every 1,000 views on your videos, after YouTube takes its share. A higher RPM means more money in your pocket. But here's the thing, CPM and RPM are just numbers if nobody's watching. That's why the next metric is arguably the most important. Watch time, also called audience retention. This is literally the total amount of time viewers spend watching your video. The longer they watch, the more YouTube's algorithm loves you. Why? Because longer watch time means more ads can be shown, and YouTube and you make more money. Finally, we have CTR, or click-through rate. This is the percentage of people who see your video's thumbnail and title and actually click to watch. A high CTR means your thumbnail and title are doing their job, grabbing attention and enticing viewers. So, CPM, RPM, watch time, and CTR. These are your 4 pillars of YouTube income. Master these, and you're well on your way to building a profitable channel. Now, you might be thinking, this is great, SD, but how do I actually use this information? There are over 2 billion users on YouTube? Where do I even start? It's a goldmine for sure, but with so many channels out there, how do you stand out from the crowd? That's where the automation part comes in. Now, traditionally, automation meant hiring a whole team: a scriptwriter, a video editor, a thumbnail designer, a voiceover artist. You'd be managing freelancers on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. And honestly, the costs would add up fast. I don't recommend that approach when you're first launching. You need to validate your niche, test your content, and start building momentum before you invest in a full team. The good news, true automation, the kind that lets you get started quickly and affordably, is within reach. We're talking about leveraging powerful tools, many of them completely free, to handle those tasks without breaking the bank. This lets you focus on the strategy, on creating content that resonates, and on growing your channel. We will show you how to get it done automatically with just using 6 free tools. Now, when I say automatically, I don't mean you'll just press a few buttons and voila, a video is made. What we're aiming for is the ability to create YouTube videos quickly and efficiently with the help of AI. So grab your laptop and let's get started. We're going to break this down into 6 simple steps, and I'll reveal the free tools we'll be using as we go. Trust me, you don't need any fancy software or a huge budget to make this happen. Forget staring at a blank page, wondering where to start. We're going to use a cutting-edge AI tool to generate a compelling, engaging script in seconds. This isn't just about filling in words. It's about crafting a narrative that hooks viewers and keeps them watching. I'll show you the exact prompt I use to get amazing results, and you can adapt it to any niche, okay? So after the first step is done, we will move to the second step, as once we have our killer script, we need a voiceover, right? But you might thinking of hiring expensive voiceover artist, or doing yourself. Nah, forget about awkward recordings or expensive voiceover artists. We're going to use another incredible AI tool to create a professional, natural-sounding voiceover that will captivate your audience. I'll even show you how to tweak the tone and style to perfectly match your video. Okay, 2 steps done. Now we're halfway through. Now that your script is locked and loaded, and you've got your pro-sounding voiceover, you might be wondering, okay, but what about the actual video? Where do I get footage? How do I edit it all together? Don't panic. This is where steps 3 and 4 come in, and they're surprisingly easy. First, we're going to tap into a massive library of free, high-quality video clips and images. I'm talking stunning visuals that would normally cost a fortune, but you'll get them without spending a dime. Then in step 4, we need to edit these footage. We'll be using an incredibly user-friendly drag-and-drop video editor. I will going to guide you through to seamlessly edit the video clips. Okay, so far 4 steps are done, so you're almost there. Now it's time to wrap this up. No matter how amazing your video is, nobody will see it if your thumbnail doesn't grab their attention. So in step 5, we'll use a free design tool that requires zero graphic design experience. I'll show you how to create a thumbnail that practically forces people to click. Now, only one step left. Finally, we'll use a powerful and free YouTube optimization tool. This is the secret sauce that helps your video get discovered by the right viewers, boosting your views, watch time, and ultimately, your income. I'll show you the key settings and strategies to maximize your reach. So there you have it, 6 steps to a fully automated YouTube video, ready to launch your faceless channel. Now let's dive into step 1 and see that AI script writing magic in action. Alright, let's jump into Suvo AI and see the magic happen. First, you'll want to create a free account. The link is in the description below. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard, which is super clean and easy to navigate. Now for crafting content, there are many options, but now we're focusing on scripts. So what we need to do is to go to AI chat. Now you have to create a new chat. Now on the left side, there is AI chat assistants. Click that. Here, you will find numbers of AI assistants to choose from for your specific tasks. See all these pre-built AI assistants? Suvo AI has one for almost everything. But for our YouTube script, we're going to select Olivia Rodrigo, creative video scriptwriter. Okay, we're in. Now, the key here is to give Suvo AI a clear, concise prompt. The better your prompt, the better your script. For this tutorial, I will make a very short script, just to give you a demo. So, our script will be on. Top 10 must visit places in the US. So, here's the prompt I am going to use. Write a short 200 words YouTube video script on top 10 places to visit in the US. Notice how I specified the type of content, YouTube video script, a word count limit, short 200 words, and the exact topic. You can also choose a brand voice, but we will leave it for now. Now, you also choose your desired AI model. There are numerous, select according to your need. For the script, I am going to use the GPT-4o Mini, as it's sufficient for this. Now, simply click Send. And just like that, with a simple prompt, Suvo AI has generated a detailed script with video title, intro, transition, content, conclusion, even a proper call to action, all within a few seconds. You can see how the script is structured in different sections. It also mentions the timestamps, so it would be easy for editing. This is amazing. You can simply copy it and paste it in Google Docs. Now this is important. This script is around 200 words, perfect for a shorter video. If you want a longer video, you can simply adjust your prompt. For example, you could ask for a 1500-word script, or even break it down further, asking for separate scripts for each places. The more specific you are, the better the results. So, step 1 is complete. We've got our AI-generated script, and we're ready to move on to step 2, giving that script a voice, a professional voiceover, without ever speaking a word ourselves. Let's see how. Alright, step 2, turning that amazing script into a professional-sounding voiceover. For this, we're using SpeakTTS, a fantastic and user-friendly text-to-speech tool. Again, the link is in the description. You can sign up for a free account to get full access, but we can even test it out without logging in, just to see how powerful it is. The interface is incredibly simple. You've got your language selection. We'll stick with English, USA, for this video, and then a huge range of voices to choose from. I'm going to pick Aria, a female neural voice. The neural voices are the most realistic and natural sounding. You can adjust things like speaking style, volume, speed, and pitch, but for now, we'll leave those at the defaults to keep things quick. Now all we need to do is paste in the intro section from our Suvo AI generated script. I'll head back to SpeakTTS and paste that text right here into the box. And that's it. Now we click Synthesize. Give it a few seconds, and there's our synthesized audio. You can preview it by clicking the play button. You can check the quality of the audio by hitting Listen.
Are you ready to explore the breathtaking beauty of America? From stunning coastlines to vibrant cities, we've got the ultimate list just for you.
Sounds pretty incredible, right? No robotic voice here. Now to use this in our video, we simply click the download button. Speak TTS lets you download the audio as an MP3, WAV, OGG, or WEBM file. MP3 is perfect for our needs, and just like that, we have a professional voiceover, ready to be added to our video. We didn't have to write a single word of the script ourselves, and we didn't have to record any audio ourselves. That's the power of AI automation. So, with steps 1 and 2 complete, we've got our script and our voiceover. Now, it's time to make things visual. Let's move on to step 3 and see how to get stunning, royalty-free footage without spending a dime. Okay, steps 1 and 2 are done. Script and voiceover are ready. Now for step 3, sourcing stunning visuals for free. We're heading to pixabay.com. This is a goldmine of royalty-free stock footage and images. You can use these visuals without worrying about copyright strikes or licensing fees. Let's say we need some footage of the Grand Canyon. I just type it in, select videos, and boom, tons of high-quality clips, all free to use. You can preview them right here. And when you find one you like, just click download and choose your resolution. 1920 by 1080 is usually perfect for YouTube. Repeat that process for each of the locations mentioned in your script. Remember, visual variety is key. Now, the script from Suvo AI cleverly mentioned the timing of the clips. You can easily choose your video footage based on that. Step 4, putting it all together using easy video editing. We're using Clipchamp, a powerful and free video editor. It's drag and drop simple, so don't be intimidated. I've already imported our voiceover file and a few of those Pixabay clips. You can see them right here in the media library. Now it's just a matter of dragging and dropping. I'll drag the voiceover onto the timeline, and then I'll start adding the video clips, matching them to what's being said. You can trim clips, add transitions, even add text and music, all within Clipchamp. We won't go into a full editing tutorial here, because that will make our 10 minutes to hours. But the key is, it's intuitive, and there are tons of Clipchamp tutorials on YouTube if you want to explore more advanced features. This isn't about perfection, it's about getting your video done and published. Once you're happy with the basic arrangement, you can export your video. And that's steps 3 and 4 complete. We've got our visuals and our basic edit. Now let's move on to step 5, creating a thumbnail that will make people click. And our tool of choice? Canva. It's a free, incredibly user-friendly design platform. You don't need to be a graphic designer. Canva makes it super simple. If you don't have a Canva account, create a free account, then click Create a Design on top left. You can find YouTube thumbnail under the social media section. Okay, so now we can see our blank page, where we will create our YouTube thumbnail for the video. See, Canva automatically sets the correct dimensions for a YouTube thumbnail, 1280 by 720 pixels. No need to remember that. Now the smartest way to start is by using a template. On the left, you'll see a bunch of categories. Scroll down and click on Templates, and in the search bar, type United States as our topic for this video. Look at all these options. Canva gives you tons of pre-designed templates specifically for YouTube thumbnails. You can scroll through and find one that roughly matches the style you're going for. Don't worry about the exact content. We can customize everything. I like this one. It's got a clean layout, a bold title, and some relevant imagery. Now, all we have to do is customize it. I'll change the title. Then, I'll add our video's topic. We can adjust it later on if needed. But the main thing, we want to create a thumbnail that shows the content of the video. Just like this, you can customize, edit, or delete any part of the template. See how easy that is? You can change the colors, the fonts, add your own images, anything you want. But the key with thumbnails is to keep them clear, bold, and clickable. You want to instantly communicate what your video is about and make people want to watch. Once you're happy with your thumbnail, just click on Share at the top right corner and click Download. Here, you can select various formats. PNG is the most used. Keep the size as it and click Download. And there you have it. A professional-looking thumbnail created in minutes without any design skills needed. Now we have script, voiceover, video, thumbnail ready. Now it's time for the final step, getting our video uploaded and discoverable to audience. Let's get into it. Go to the YouTube studio and click Create. From there, we will choose Upload Video option. First thing to upload is the video file itself. So I will pick my video and select. Now it started uploading. Now, while it's uploading, we have to add a title for our video. Let's ask for some help from vidIQ. As you can see, there are many keywords with high search volume and very high competition. It's important that we pick up keywords with high volume and low competition. So let's filter it from here, from very high to, let's say, very low. Here, we have now hundreds of keyword options to choose from. I'm going to select few low competition keywords from the list for now. You get the idea. Use as much as you can. As you can see, the overall competition is very low and search volume is high for these keywords. vidIQ is a very useful tool to find the right keywords for your videos that can give you a higher ranking in the search results. I will provide the link of vidIQ in the description so that you can easily check it out for free. Okay, so I will copy these tags and go back to our YouTube studio. Now you can add your own title, or you can simply copy from those keywords. I am going to put it here, top 10 best places in the US to visit in March. Now, I am adding the copied tags in the tag section. After this, I have to provide a short SEO optimized description, which I can easily write in seconds using Suvo AI. Now, we will upload our thumbnail here and done. There are few more options, like choosing the audience, age restrictions, paid promotion, etc. You can customize according to your need. Now go to the next step, where you can add subtitles, end screen or cards. After that, YouTube will check for copyright issues. Finally, you will get to choose your video visibility option. And done. And that's it. We've taken our AI-generated script, turned it into a professional-sounding voiceover, combined it with stunning visuals, crafted an eye-catching thumbnail, and optimized it for maximum visibility on YouTube. We've built a complete automated YouTube video, ready to start attracting viewers and potentially generating income. So, we've conquered all 6 steps, from a blank page to a published YouTube video, all thanks to the power of these incredible free tools. We've automated the most time-consuming parts of the process, leaving you free to focus on what matters most, finding great niches, creating valuable content, and growing your channel. And there you have it, a complete automated YouTube video, ready to start attracting views and potentially generating income, all built with free tools and a streamlined process. We've covered a lot in a short time, proving that launching a faceless YouTube channel doesn't have to be overwhelming or expensive. But remember, this is just the beginning. The real key to success on YouTube is consistency and providing value to your audience. Keep creating, keep optimizing, and keep learning. And to help you with that next step, I've created another video that dives deeper into making money on YouTube. You can click on the video on screen right now to watch it. It's packed with even more tips and tricks to help you crush it on YouTube. And of course, if you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more automation and online business tips, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.